So I'm going to talk a little bit about the right hand and how to do the motion of the painting. Okay, this is a good exercise to do before we start. Okay, like as if your hand is a brush and you're painting up and down a wall, and how to transfer that to the bow. Okay, so when we come to changing bow down here at the heel, the fingers go all the way to the top. It's not this, okay? The fingers guide all the way to the top, as in with the painting, okay? So the fingers come up to the top, and then we draw the bow. So if you have a look there, the wrist is doing. Remember, fingers guided to the top, and then down. Okay, so I'm just going to talk about the bottom of the bow at the moment. Sorry, at the heel of the bow. And just make sure that when you turn the bow around that you have your slight bend in the thumb. All your fingers are in contact with the bow at the first crease of each finger, and then of course, so important, that this finger, pinky, is rounded, sitting on top of the bow here. Okay, and then your thumb is just, I'm going to show you here, it's sitting in there, not through here, just there at the side. That's my comfortable spot anyway. So you want to make sure it's not fingertips and it's not over like this, and make sure that that first finger is not too far up, not too far around. Okay, that the first crease is where you're feeling the contact. Okay, then of course up here and draw the bow down.